A no-deposit bingo app can mean two very different things: free-to-play bingo that never requires a deposit, or a real money app that lets you play certain games before depositing. Check which one you're getting before signing up. This ranking focuses on apps where beginners can access bingo without making an initial deposit, while separating free gameplay from real money features. Number 5 is eBingo, Litsuigartaya. You can start with free gameplay and use virtual credits instead of depositing money. It is designed around bingo rounds with additional games and collectibles, so it works well if you want something more than a basic bingo board. Number 4 is InBingo, Popei Dore. The app provides free bingo gameplay using virtual currency. Start with the free mode and check the current purchase and reward terms before using any optional paid features. Number 3 is ZhenBingo Basheng.t. You can play bingo using virtual chips without making a deposit. The app also includes themed rooms and additional features, so begin with the free chips and learn the gameplay before considering purchases. Number 2 is InBingo Country. Its free gameplay lets you use virtual currency rather than depositing real money. Check the current rules for bonuses, rewards, and any optional purchases before playing. Number 1 is Bingo Kashi, but there is an important distinction. The app can include cash tournament features in eligible locations, while free gameplay may also be available. A no-deposit option does not mean every feature is free, so check the current entry requirements before joining a cash tournament. Here is the easiest way to compare these apps. First, check whether the app lets you play bingo without entering payment information. Second, identify whether the currency you're receiving is virtual or redeemable. Third, check whether any cash game feature requires a deposit or paid entry. Also, check your location. Real money gaming features can have geographic restrictions, and the available features can change. If your goal is simply to play bingo without depositing money, stick to free-to-play modes and avoid optional purchases. If you're considering a cash feature, read the current eligibility and entry rules before using it. The 5 apps to investigate are Bingo Blitz, Bingo Pop, Bingo Bash, Bingo Country, and Bingo Cash. The key point is that no deposit describes how you start, not necessarily every feature inside the app. Your next step is to download from the official App Store, open the free play section, and confirm the current rules before spending anything. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Bingo app guides.